Looking to keep your Kawasaki engine running at its best? Choosing genuine Kawasaki replacement parts isn't just a choice, it's a smart investment in reliability and long-term performance. When your engine is built for premium results, every part counts. Using authentic components ensures your equipment delivers consistent power and efficiency every time you fire it up. I've seen firsthand how genuine Kawasaki parts make a difference. Unlike generic replacements that might fit but don't perform, these parts are crafted to meet exact factory standards. Designed for most FR, FS, and FX series 603cc and 726cc engines, they install easily, no assembly needed, and guarantee seamless compatibility. That means smoother operation, stable output, and less chance of unexpected breakdowns. It's clear Kawasaki doesn't cut corners, and neither should you. What really sets genuine parts apart is the attention to detail. Kawasaki engineers develop each component as part of a complete system, not just a standalone fix. This harmony between parts and engine boosts efficiency and protects your investment. Real users often report how original parts help diagnose issues accurately, avoiding costly trial and error replacements. Proper grounding and consistent voltage output keep your mower or utility machine running strong, season after season. If you're serious about maintaining peak engine performance and extending your equipment's lifespan, genuine Kawasaki replacement parts are worth a look. They come backed by decades of engineering expertise, giving you peace of mind with every install. Check the product link in the video description to see what's available now. And if you want more trusted parts and maintenance tips, subscribe to the channel and keep your equipment running stronger for longer.